Miss Jada, if this is your first time here, and if not, welcome back. So I'm finally doing a room tour. I'm a freshman at the University of Miami. I live in one of the regular freshman residential halls, so I'll just be showing you guys my room today. I've filmed this so many times, but every time I'm like, my room looks so messy in it, and like honestly my room like is not the cleanest, but we're just gonna go through it, okay, my friends? Because this is the real life. It's just fantasy, and I have to go to class soon, so let's get on with this video. So starting out in the hallway, this is my room. This open door. We have these little card readers, so you use your cane card to get into your room. On the back of our door, we have a long mirror, and it doesn't like fit properly under our door, so it's literally been crooked the entire year, which is irritating, but I mean, it gets the job done. You can clearly see me in my glory. Anyways, let's move on. And then over here, we just put up a little, my little whiteboard. We put our emergency guide, which like comes on the back of the door, and we moved it over here because otherwise our mirror wouldn't fit. I have that, and then just some like housing stuff. This is like part of our roommate agreement. Just keep it on the wall to remind us. Oh, this is our thermostat. All of the rooms come equipped with air conditioning, at least in the main freshman dorms, which are Stanford and Hecht. So yeah, I don't know how well it works, honestly. I think it works like fine, but I don't know that it really works when we change it. I think that's just like a joke. But anyways, on both sides there are closets. So that's my roommate's closet, so I won't get into it, but mine literally looks the same. So here we have like my mess of clothing. Literally, I don't know why it's so messy. Like, it's honestly like fairly organized. I have all the stuff that I hang up here. I have one big coat for when I like go back to New York. I have a suitcase here. I have some boxes for when I move out. Some Ziplocs I keep my like Swiffer thing back there in this drying rack. I have a little duster. And then up here there's a shelf, which I actually lined a lot of my shelves with contact paper, just to be like sanitary. And I have these like clear boxes with my stuff, sorry. And then I have like cleaning supplies in there. Over here I have one of these like hanging shelves, but obviously it's very messy because it's so full of stuff. Sorry that you can see that. And then I have one of these shoe shelves under here where I put all of my shoes. They don't really all fit, so they're kind of stuffed in there. Anyways, on both sides of the room there's like a desk and a dresser. So this is my roommate's side. Again, not gonna go into it, but so first we have a dresser with 4 drawers. They like get bigger as you go down, so I like put my pants in there, tops, underwear and stuff. And then here is a lock drawer, so if you have anything that you want to like keep on lock, you can put it in there. I keep like important documents in there and stuff like that. Here is where I do my makeup, so I have my whole like makeup shelf. I think I got this from Bed Nice Marble. I got this really nice like kitchen tile, but it's nice because it's like a different color. I don't know, it's not the ugly green. So up there I keep my swimsuits. I have a little photo grid with my friends, some other random stuff there. I have some books, I have my Polaroid. I just have, it's like kind of cluttered, honestly. I have a lot of stuff. I have one of those little light boxes. It's from Target, and honestly the light doesn't work super well, so Target, you know, do something about that. But I have this other stuff here. Over here I have more random stuff. The current water bottle I'm using, some like Febreze. Over here I keep like sunglasses and other knickknacks. I have a script for my acting class. Down here you have 3 more drawers. This one's huge. I just stuff everything I don't need in there. This one I have some like medicine and like other supplies that I use on daily. And this one I have like my agenda and like stickers and stuff. Here is like a throw all. Or I have one of those like, I just like put literally everything in here, like batteries, a sewing kit, like whatever you might need. And then under here, because I have so many products, I have another bin where I keep all of my hair products and like extra beauty products, and then like my blow dryer, straightener, curling iron. I have the box that my camera came in, another trash can that I don't really use under there. Yeah, lots of stuff. And then this is my desk chair. I put a little rug from IKEA on it just to make, because like it's normally this ugly green color, so I just wanted to cover that up. So yeah, and then we get to where the magic happens. So I'll show you. Me and my roommate lofted our beds because we wanted to have space underneath. We're definitely not lofting them next year because these are like kind of shaky, honestly. Like obviously we're still alive, they're still up, so they're stable enough, but like it's kind of shaky. But anyways, so this is my bed. I just have this bedding from, honestly don't remember where, and then I have this little like photo wall of my friends from high school. I have this boyfriend pillow. I have this little pillow pet that I've had forever because my best friend Catherine gave it to me. Decided to bring that to college. His name's Cheese, which is really ironic because I don't eat dairy. Yeah, that's what's going on there. I have one of these like really helpful things that hang off of your bed. It's like an organizer. I just have like a book in there. This is where I put my phone at night. This is like why it's mostly helpful because I like to keep my phone close to me. So I put it there at night because like I use it for the alarm, and then I just charge it through there. And then we come to underneath my bed. So we just got a futon from Target. Got this little pillow. My roommate got that I think from Target as well. We have some outlets up here. We have these lights from IKEA. That was actually my mom's idea to put them up here like this. So you can put them on. It looks like pretty cozy when you're in here. I have some of my posters, because if you guys didn't know, you've probably seen this in the back of my videos. This is where I keep my laptop sometimes. This is just random stuff. This, I have 2 yoga mats, not 1 but 2 because I have a bunch of like coffees and like teas up there. Here, I keep some like utensils and plates and mugs, and of course Tabasco because you need hot sauce. And then underneath here I have some like bottles, I have some mason jars, some more utensils, and then we get to this little 6-drawer thing that my roommate got. So those 3 are hers, and then these 3 are mine. I just keep, but we share the paper towel that's there. I just washed a few of my bottles, so that's why they're sitting there. Down here I have some random stuff. I have some like oatmeal and then foil. Here I have 4 different types of nut butter. I'm not obsessed, okay, but there's 4 of them. I have some banana chips, some like popcorn back there, some really random stuff. And then we have our fridge and our microwave. Fun stuff. Yeah, lit. I got this little clip in Paris because I thought it would be cute to put on our fridge. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then we have our fridge, which really isn't that exciting. It's just a little fridge. It has a little freezer area up here. This is my space. This is my roommate's space. We share this one. These are all of mine. I got my sriracha, my apple cider vinegar because like what's new. We have this Brita that we kind of share, but it's my roommate's and I don't really use it. So yeah. And then that's our microwave, so fun. That's my roommate's poster. Oh, this is this drawing, this caricature that we got made for us. One day, there's this like caricature artist on campus, and it's like me and my roommate. It's so cute. She looks like my child in this photo. It's so funny. And then here, we have our window, and we just put these curtains on it so that it would look pretty. It would look much better. It was actually my mom's idea to get these curtains, and it's so much nicer with the curtains. It looks like an actual like home. Because if you just see it, you just have these hurricane shutters, so you can close them if you want to like take a nap. The light has never bothered me from taking a nap, so look, like it gets completely dark in here. It's kind of creepy, honestly. Sometimes they'll be like cleaning the hurricane shutters and I'll come in and then it's just like dark. It's kind of scary. Well guys, that's it for my dorm tour, so I hope this video was helpful, and leave questions down below if you have any questions about the dorms and just other stuff. Also, if you want to see the bathrooms, I actually did a little, it's in like one of my first vlogs about like a day in the life at University of Miami. I did actually film a little bit of the bathrooms, so you can check that. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like down below, leave a comment down below, and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. I love you.